Today I am going to be unboxing and reviewing this cotton candy machine with a cart. Let's check it out. So here is the machine. It's currently heating up. It has simple controls right here. It has different indicators. You can turn the heat level. So now it is on green at 1. It has different indicators. So green means it's ready at the 1, or if you want it hotter, it goes to here. It has a little, has a spot to put your tools. It comes with an extra little relay. And it just spins right there. Has a spot to put.
What do you see?
Yeah, you can see. Come here. Has a spot to put all the cones right there. And then we're gonna go ahead and try to put some sugar in there and see how it turns out. Are you ready? Pour it down in. Spinning. It does come with the scoop as well. It's starting to thread. Coming out the little holes, threading that. Making some nice fine cotton candy right there, isn't it? Be great for parties, birthday parties, Barbie events. I think we can go ahead and, you want to build it up, or that looks pretty good. You want to try a bite, see how our own cotton candy tastes? It's good. This would be great for parties. You can make a ton with it, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.
Go. Well, we don't want to get Willow too much.
That's true. Look at him.
He's eating all of them.
He is. He likes it.
Little love sugar. Look at his little pink face.